Hello and welcome to BeeNum Learning. In this video series, we are going to learn how to build Oracle Integration Cloud libraries. To go to the libraries, you have to log into OIC instance. From there, select the integrations option from the menu and click on libraries. The first thing in creating a library or building a library is how you are going to write the code. So Oracle Integration Cloud Libraries currently supports functions written using JavaScript programming language. Documentation for creating the JavaScript library and the standard syntax, how to import, how to edit, how to delete a library, all those details are provided over here by Oracle. I will provide the link in the description. Kindly check out. Next question arises is how are we going to build the code? So the best tool available out there for JavaScript programming is Microsoft Visual Studio Code. If you Google Visual Studio Code, you will get the link to download. That is under code.visualstudio.com. Click on the download and select the operating system which you are using. If you are on Windows 64-bit, then just click on the 64-bit version. As you can see, our exe file is getting downloaded. Once exe file has been downloaded on your computer, just run this .exe file. Accept the agreement, click on next, add path to our environment, click on next. Let me keep this default, install. Once the installation is over, click on finish and launch Visual Studio Code. As you can see, our Visual Studio Code is successfully installed. Here you can play around with the Explorer, create the files, you can debug, you can connect to a source control like a Git repository, installations from Microsoft or any third-party provider, be it on Docker, Python, Node.js or anything for data science and all. In our next part, we will learn how to build our first Oracle Integration Cloud library. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe the channel.